Hi, this is Refutech. Again today we are going to discuss about orientation, count, COUNTIF, and field series. So we shall be starting by orientation. So orientation is a feature in MS Excel which helps you to change your header angle counterclockwise or clockwise. So I highlight first of all the heading up to that point. Then I come home tab. Under the group of alignment, I have orientation here. Then I click here. I have angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise, vertical text, rotate text down, format cell alignment. I'll be clicking angle counterclockwise in order to create a space, in order to resize the columns I have. For example, I can just reduce the size of this one. See, can reduce. If I don't have good space, I can reduce the size of Excel sheet in order to make it easy for printing. Yeah, it can help me whenever I apply orientation. I get a space. I'll get enough space like this. Get enough space. So that is the reason as to why we apply orientation. So that is orientation. You can change it. You can change it to another style. You come here. See, it's changing. You can change that one. I remain with that one. That is a orientation. So that is option one. The other option I'll add is fill series, because Excel here has 1, 2, 3. So it's not exactly starting. These are the students I have. So Omar is starting number 2, and first, last, gender, the heading is starting number 1. So in order to have exact numbers with the number of students I have to come and click here, right click. I click insert. I come here, I say add entire column. I click OK. So I'll be getting entire column here. Let me control that. Can click anywhere here. I right click. I right click. Come. I get this dialog box. I come and click insert. Say entire column. Click OK. So I'll be getting this one. I get one column. I don't need to focus on these numbers of Excel. Column headings, I don't care. I'll be coming with my own numbers. I put 1 here. I point my cursor with this small dot. Hold the left mouse button. I drag it up to the last student. Then down here, I get this autofill options. I click this drop down arrow. I come to this group. I have copy cells, fill series, fill format only, fill without formatting, flash fill. I click fill series. So I will be getting 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, I have 4 students. By then, I need to know exactly the number of rows I have used. Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. So sometimes you can have a lot of students. You can have a large database in order to know the number of rows. The number of rows you have used. You have to use count. And remember, count will only count the number of cells that are holding digits, not numbers. So I'll be coming here. For example, I'll just start here. Here, I put equal count. I double click the first one. Then I start here. I drag, press enter. It means I have 4 rows. Then I autofill up to the end. See what will happen. It's giving me 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and here it's giving me 2 because all the cells are holding digits it can count, but to this mod it's holding number, number, letter and symbol, letter and symbol. So the COUNTIF formula will never count letter and symbol. It will only count the cells which are holding digits. Likewise, here we have 4. Here we have 4, but alphabetical and words, we don't get anything because it doesn't count such things. So that's that. In addition to that, I have here gender. I think I don't have gender. I have nationality. I have nationality. I have gender. So I'm going to calculate the number of male and the number of female. So I'll be using equal if equal count. Here, I'll come here. I'll choose count if formula to apply this one. I start here. I autofill or I drag the whole range of gender. Then I'll put comma. After that, I put open quotation marks, close quotation marks, close the bracket. So if I'm going to calculate exactly or to know the number of male and the number of female, I'll be putting here male. Then I press enter. I have 3 male here. It's just counting me. It's giving me 3. What if I want to know number of female? I double click here. I come, delete this M. I replace with F. Press enter. I have 1 female. So this is how we do orientation, field series, count, COUNTIF, orientation for resizing or reducing the size of the Excel sheet in order for it to be easy for printing, field series to give you exactly the number of students according to the number of numbers to apply. Count, to count the number of rows that you have used. COUNTIF, to calculate the number of male and the number of female for your database. So thanks for watching. Like, share, and hit the bell icon. Thanks. Bye bye.